Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com. If you've recently purchased a new standing desk, I'm sure you've asked yourself the question, how do I use my new standing desk? There are 4 frequently asked questions that'll help you confidently use your new standing desk. Are you looking for a new standing desk? BTOD TV is your source for everything standing desk. Subscribe today so you don't miss out on any of our future content. When talking about using standing desks, we're referring to the sitting and standing positions. Start by finding your sitting position. You're going to want to get yourself properly seated in your office chair. Your feet should be flat on the floor and your arms rested at your side. Your hands should be at or just below your elbow height. This will be your sitting position height for your standing desk. To find your standing height, you're going to want to do something similar. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your arms rested comfortably at your sides. Bring your hands up so they are at or below your elbow height. This will be your standing desk position. If you are using an anti-fatigue mat or wearing different shoes each day, you're going to want to consider the thickness of both because this may impact your standing heights. One of the worst things to do with a new standing desk is to stand all day. Many users may not know, but there is a point at which you can stand for too long. Standing all day is an easy way to burn yourself out and to stop standing altogether. There is no perfect science to how long you should sit or stand throughout the day, so it's good to do a good mix of both. When you get your new standing desk, try to ease into standing. Start with standing for 10 minutes for every 50 minutes of sitting to get your body moving. Once you get used to that, feel free to increase your standing time. Spending half of your day standing and half of your day sitting is a good mix. How long it takes to get used to a standing desk will vary. If you have an active lifestyle and are in great shape, it may be quicker. But if you're planning to get in shape with a standing desk, it may take just a little bit longer. You should plan on starting with shorter standing periods to help get your body adjusted without experiencing fatigue. If you do start with standing for too long and your body isn't used to it, it may not end well. Try standing on an anti-fatigue mat or wearing supportive shoes to keep you comfortable while standing. To protect your body from injury, it is important to know how to properly use a standing desk. If you start standing for an excessive amount of time and you haven't built up a tolerance to it yet, you may run into a few issues. If you find yourself feeling tired, you may want to take a break. Excessive standing can cause fatigue in the muscles that can lead to poor posture and other injuries. The bottom line is using your new standing desk shouldn't be a difficult task. Finding your correct sitting and standing positions is a great start. Make sure you ease your way into standing by standing for shorter periods of time and sitting for longer periods. Your body will slowly become used to the change and you'll feel yourself becoming stronger and be able to stand for longer. Adding an anti-fatigue mat and wearing good shoes can help provide comfort to your feet and back. Be sure to focus on good posture to help reduce your risk for injuries while standing at your desk. If you do all of these things, you are more likely to continue standing at your desk. If you found this video useful, hit the like button to let us know. If you have any other further questions, visit us at the Learning Center at BTOD.com. Thanks for watching.